Hey, I'm Eddie Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get tons and tons of health-related questions. But this week, we're going to tackle UTIs. Our first question comes from Joyful Babbles. Why do some dementia patients become aggressive when they have a UTI? This is a fact. A urinary tract infections are bacterial infections in the urethra. They're extremely painful and unpleasant. That pain is what causes confusion and behavioral changes in the elderly. The infection itself, and this actually stumped me because I didn't even know this can happen, it can cause damage to your brain. Think about it. It's already painful and stressful on people who don't have dementia. So when people have dementia, it's so much worse. So if you have older relatives and you notice there's a personality change or a behavior change of any kind, take them immediately to get checked out. Our next question comes from Throwing Away 000. Are there ways to prevent against urinary tract infections? This is a fact. Look, I'm gonna throw out a few things that you can do to help prevent urinary tract infection. One, drink lots of water. Look, peeing regularly helps prevent UTIs, believe it or not. Also, I would say women, I know you know this, but do not wipe from back to front. And after sex, definitely go to the restroom and pee. Our final question comes from Shelaton. Why is cranberry juice recommended for UTIs but not other juices? This is fiction. Now this one blows my mind because I've actually heard this year after year after year. Cranberry juice is no longer effective against UTIs. Scientists believe this is what's going on. The modern juices today have less cranberry in it. So therefore, it's not as effective as it may have been in the older days. But actually, the real important thing to do is just to make sure you stay hydrated. That's all for today, and thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions that you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com, or you can message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.